Top 5 Best Dishwasher. The 5 Best Dishwasher in Present Time. We are going to check out 5 Best Dishwasher quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I tried to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1, EdgeStar DWP62BL 6-place setting Energy Star rated portable countertop dishwasher, black. Price, $279.00. Color black, brand EdgeStar, material stainless steel, form factor built-in, sound level 52.3 decibels, product dimensions 19.63 x 21.63 x 17.31 inches. 44 pounds, operating frequency 60 Hz, voltage 120 volts, capacity 6-place settings, option cycle 7.6.6, standard place setting capacity / includes dish rack, cup shelf, and cutlery basket, holds plates up to 10.5 inches in diameter / 7.7, wash cycle / quick connect adapter, fits standard sized kitchen faucet / beautiful digital display. Number 2, Farberware FDW05ASBWHA complete portable countertop dishwasher with 5-liter built-in water tank. Price, $339.99 and free returns. Color black white, brand Farberware, material plastic, controls type full panel, form factor built-in, product dimensions 17.3 x 16.5 x 17.3 inches. 44.9 pounds, operating frequency 60 Hz, voltage 120 volts, capacity 5 liters, quality control note: all dishwashers are factory tested to ensure proper operation. As a result, it is normal for small amounts of residual water to be found in the unit. Number 3, Danby DDW631SDB countertop dishwasher with 6-place settings and silverware basket, LED display, Energy Star. Price, $339.99. Color stainless steel, brand Danby, material stainless steel, controls type full panel, form factor freestanding, noise 54 decibels, product dimensions 19.69 x 21.65 x 17.24 inches. 44.09 pounds, voltage 120 volts, capacity 6-place settings, option cycles 8. Compact space-saving countertop dishwasher with a quick connect feature compatible with most kitchen faucets, 6-place setting capacity with silverware basket. Number 4, portable countertop dishwashers, NOVETE compact dishwashers with 5L built-in water tank and inlet hose, 5 washing programs. Price, $349.99 and free returns. Color white, brand NOVETE, material plastic, controls type full panel, form factor built-in, noise 50 decibels, product dimensions 16.86 x 16.75 x 18.05 inches. 34.1 pounds, operating frequency 60 Hz, voltage 120 volts, capacity 4-place settings. Small size, large capacity. This portable dishwasher only measures 16.9 x 16.8 x 18.1 inches, but holds 4 full-place settings and fits up to 12 inches dishes loaded at an angle, easily meeting daily needs. Number 5, homeLabs compact countertop dishwasher, Energy Star portable mini dishwasher in stainless steel interior. Price, $389.97. Color white, brand homeLabs, material stainless steel, product dimensions 21.6 x 19.6 x 17.2 inches. 44.1 pounds, operating frequency 60 Hz, voltage 120 volts, capacity 6-place settings, Option Cycle 6, a convenient and small Energy Star certified dishwashing machine for cleaning the dishes after dinner or cooking. Simply load the dishes in the dish basket and cutlery rack and let this white dishwasher do the dirty job. Easily sits on countertops or tabletop, requiring less space. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.